I'm Engine Cadet Sina.
I'm Indian Cadet Tan.
I'm Engine Cadet Talbo. I'm Engine Cadet Malaya. Engine Cadet Pinarita. Ready, up.
Now here, let's tackle about measurement and conversion of units. Measurement helps us describe the world, how long, how heavy, or how hot something is. We use unit like for meter for long, liters for volume, and kilogram for mass. But sometimes, we use units to convert depending on the situation. Understanding measurement and conversion help us in science, math, and everyday life measurement.
Force and motion are everywhere. To walking, driving, to grabbing a ball. A force is a push or pull. Forces makes object start moving, stop moving, speed up, or slow down. Without forces, nothing changes. For example, gravity pulls things downward. Friction slows things down. When you kick a ball, your foot apply force sets it into motion. So remember, forces create motion and motion changes because of forces. They work together to shape everything we see moving.
Ever stuck thinking about and big things that rely on stationary fluid? Today, let's tackle about fluid static and why it's one of the most important concepts in our daily life. So what is fluid? This is fluid. Fluid defined as any substances that can flow and adapt to the shape of its container. This one is the Archimedes principle. Archimedes principle states a submerged object experiencing an buoyant force equal to the weight of the fluid it displaces. If the force is greater than the object weight, it floats. If less, it sinks. This is the example of the Archimedes principle. Yo! So to wrap it up, fluid static is the study of the stationary fluid governed by the pressure Archimedes principle from the water of your glass to the ship cruising the ocean. It's a force that shapes our world in ways we often take for granted.
Alright, let's tackle the word kinematics. It's one of those terms that sounds tricky but actually pretty straightforward. Kinematics. Kinematics is all about describing motion. So let's talk about things like speed, direction, and acceleration. Heat and temperature are all around us, from boiling water to feeling the warmth of the sun. Heat is the energy that moves from something hot to something cold. It flows until both objects reach the same warmth. Temperature, on the other hand, measures how hot or how cold something is. So remember, heat is energy, and temperature tells us how much energy an object has.
Since